Good morning, students. In today's video, we will talk about Swan Jayanti Gram Swarojgar Yojana. We will talk about the scheme in detail. It is called SGSY in short. So, this scheme SGSY was launched after a review and restructuring of erstwhile Integrated Rural Development Program and aligned schemes like training for rural youth for self-employment, development of women and children in rural area, million well schemes, supply of improved toolkits for rural artisan and Ganga Kalyan Yojana. SGSY was launched on April 1st, 1999 and it is the only self-employment program currently being implemented. The objective of SGSY is to bring the assisted Swarojgaris above the poverty line by providing them income generating assets through bank credit and government subsidy. The scheme is being implemented on a 75 to 25 cost sharing between center and state. In Union Budget 2009 and 10, the allocation of rupees 2,350 crores was made for establishing micro enterprises in rural area through activity clusters and group approach under SGSY. At least 50% of Swarojgaris will be SCs and STs, 40% women and 3% disabled. The objective of this scheme, the objective of this Yojana is to provide focused approach to poverty alleviation by setting up a large number of micro enterprises in rural area of our country. Second is capitalizing group lending. Third, overcoming the problem of running multiple programs overlapping each other. Fourth, a holistic program for micro enterprises covering all aspects of self-employment, which includes organizing rural poor into self-help groups. Integration of various agencies like district rural development agencies, bank, line development, Panchayati Raj institution, NGO, etc. Sixth is bring the assisted poor family above BPL by providing them a mix of income generating assets like bank credit and government subsidy. This scheme covers three important groups. First is group creation. This involves process like inquiring and judging skills, selecting individuals and assigning people to group based on skill level of each member. Second is capital creation. A rotating sound fund is adapted for capital generation and skills are allowed to develop through experience. Third, implementation. Abilities and group skills are created and developed further as the process function at a group's chosen speed, limited usually only by a level of skill. These self-help groups are formed after a process of selection. The below poverty line index or inventories is acquired from Gram Sabha and used by the organization to choose appropriate members based on their own criteria. The groups are then assimilated into blocks focusing on the group's primary output capabilities and allowed to work with fundings from banks, individual philanthropies, Panchayati Raj organization, and the regular festival and melas are organized by the government in an effort to help self-help groups sell their output and goods to a larger audience and create a market in the process. Now let's talk about how it works. Under this scheme, the poorer family that were below the poverty line were organized into self-help groups, which were funded through a mix of government funds and small loans from banks. The primary function of self-help groups was to help these families cross the poverty line, generate a sustainable source of profits through a joint efforts, After the families were able to help themselves out of scarcity line, the self-help groups were organized in such a way that every member of group could contribute to achievement of common objective. Groups were organized on basis of common skills, the skill level of members and amount of time and work they could contribute. Now let's talk about funding and training. The maintenance, education, funding for these groups come from NGOs, philanthropies, CBOs, banks, organizations promoting self-help, self-aid, and district land development agencies that are owned by the government. Some of the institutions that offer funding mentioned above also offer training and education facilities to group members and organize their own teams based on training required for particular self-help group specific skill. So that's all for today. We will talk more about all these schemes in upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.